beginning with east side garage, north side of the east side dormer. Hard to see with all the snow there. The OSB doesn't reach the LVL, the actual gap. The other day while cleaning snow out of that hole, I found a Pepsi can. Oops. This is the south side of the east dormer of the garage. LVL and OSB do not meet. This is the ridge of the east dormer of the garage. And if you look down there, you will find no OSB slat connecting these two panels. To give you an example of what it's supposed to look like. Well, first off, it's supposed to be that tight. Second off, there are little splines, this part here, which goes underneath and is nailed in to both panels. Missing on that. There you can see it is on that one, but not on that dormer. Let's go down, look at the end of this dormer. Again, you can see where the OSB does not even overlap the LVL, the structural part of this roof. Gross misrepresentation of their abilities, to say the least. Over here, again, no spline or splice between the panels. OSB, barely reaches. Anyways. Here's an example of that piece they're leaving out on several places of the dormer over there. Here, cut out a section, who knows why. They probably don't. Oh. This one's cool. This panel is supposed to go all the way down and meet that one. Basically, this valley is supposed to continue right through there. And they cut it off for some reason.